Hi, I am Umar Javed from CyberPanel. In this video, I am going to explain Ansible handlers so that you can automate smartly with precision. In the modern world of IT process automation, one thing is clear: automation should be efficient. Services should not be restarted for no reason. Servers should not be expending valuable resources. Live environments should not be interrupted without good reason. This is exactly where Ansible handlers come in. These automation components apply conditional logic to your playbooks. Instead of restarting services every run, you will only perform actions when real changes occur. For example, you can reload Apache only if its configuration is changed. This yields saving time and preventing downtime while keeping automation workflows controlled. So, what are Ansible handlers? Handlers are such tasks that are executed only when the task is notified by a notify action from other task. They are mostly used for managing services, for example, restarting a service if a configuration file has changed. Following is a basic handler configuration. You can pause your screen to see that. Now, the output when the config file changes is this. But if it hasn't changed, then it shows like this. Handlers get triggered after all tasks in a playbook by default, but there are times when you want to force them to run immediately after they have been notified. This is where Ansible flush handlers comes in. Following is the code and the output would be the following. In this case, myconfig.conf file is made into etc myconfig.conf file. After that, the reload service handler must be notified. This ensures mid-playbook service restarts where needed, like during rolling updates or multi-step changes. Without any tasks issued notifying handlers, a handler will not be executed notify notification execution. Following is the code. Ansible aids towards one context can make multiplicity activation utilizing listen, thus permit use of several handlers to one handler. Following is the code, and the output would be the following. Now, let's talk about automatic CyberPanel with handlers. CyberPanel, a next-gen web hosting control panel, interacts with automation via Ansible. Imagine you are controlling many CyberPanel nodes. You would want to install CyberPanel, push a config file, and restart the CyberPanel service only if the configuration has changed. You can see playbook example on your screen. The beauty of Ansible handlers is that they are not just a neat feature, they are an approach to automating work that is extremely efficient. They add important conditional reasoning, cut out redundant actions and streams, and minimize unneeded operations. Whether you are deploying simple applications or controlling infrastructures powered by CyberPanel, mastering handlers with Ansible will help ensure that amendments are precise and purposeful without stalling services. So, are you ready to automate smarter? Don't just automate, set your intent to automate and execute controls through handlers. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe for more videos.